All right, guys. Hello, I'm back. Manor House Kitchen Chef here. I'm going to show you how to make clam chowder. All right, so first off, you start with your mirepoix. You're going to dice these up into about ½ inch to an inch cubes. Okay. And then you'll do a small dice to about ½ inch. And you would actually do that with all your vegetables. All right, now we're going to head up with our veggies that we chopped, and we'll start cooking the soup. Now we're going to show you how to make the soup. This is your rondeau pan. You're going to heat it up to about medium well. You're going to grab your oil, throw it in there. That's about 3 tablespoons of oil. Then our mirepoix here. Mirepoix is your carrots, your celery, and your onions. You're going to mix it around for about 3 to 5 minutes. Stir it up real good. And then your potatoes go in. After that, you always want to saute your potatoes with your vegetables so it gets a nice crisp look to it. And then you just stir it in. We added some bacon for flavor, and then we got to stir it up real nice. Now we're going to add our thyme. And our granulated garlic and onions. You want to sprinkle that in there real good. And then you want to also stir it real nice. We're going to deglaze the pan with the clam juice. As you see, I've got the clam juice separated from the clams. You don't want the clams to spend as much time in the pot as the juice. That's the last thing you do. Then you want to bring it to a boil, and then we will let it cook for about 30 minutes. Make sure you're consistently stirring it. Chicken stock. And our cream. And traditionally, you usually use a flour like a roux to thicken, but we like to make our soups gluten-free, so we do a cornstarch slurry to thicken it. Add our cornstarch slurry. Thicken up the soup so it has a nice gravy-like consistency. Okay, so next, the last procedure is adding the clams to the soup. You want to put this in last so they don't overcook. Okay, so the soup's finished. You're going to enjoy it and have a nice dinner. And then at the end of the dinner, you want to put them in containers. Bring down the temperature first before you put it in the fridge so you don't add any excess moisture. And typically it will sit in the fridge for 7 days, so make sure you enjoy it before that. And this is Chef from the Manor House Kitchen, and I'll see you next time.